You're gonna love that one.
This book has a natural remedy for pretty much any ailment you could think of, and we're gonna take a look at this one. Here it is. It's gonna give you a full list of the ingredients needed, as well as the benefits of those ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and proper dosage. This book has you covered from anything from fibromyalgia pain all the way down to herpes sores. Dr. Nicole Apelian is an herbalist who suffers from MS and has spent the last 30 years researching holistic health and herbal remedies, and has compiled all of that knowledge into this one book, The Forgotten Home Apothecary. It houses over 250 powerful remedies. If you guys want to grab a copy, they just restocked in the TikTok shop. Click that link and check it out.